What happens when the power goes out? No signal. No lights. No charge. Meet Carbon-Free, a new generation multifunctional solar energy emergency light. It's a portable power bank, solar generator, and emergency lighting kit, all in one. Equipped with 3 types of built-in lights: spotlight, floodlight, and SOS. Comes with an extra 3x4W LED light plus 3-meter cord for high-hanging wide-area illumination. Wherever you are, you'll never be left in the dark. Dual output ports, USB and Type-C, 5V/2A, charge or power your devices with ease. Built-in inverter plus direct solar charging. From sunlight to stored energy to AC output. Compact and elegant. Minimalist white body. Light to carry, hard to live without. We are the source factory behind your power needs. iSource offers OEM and private label support to help you win your market. Partner with us today, let's power your brand together. Solar charging. Storage. AC/DC output. With Carbon-Free, power is always within reach.